Hey guys,
Yeah,
I was impressed. I was impressed by Folk, Nafti, and Natalie's both compassionate work and the thinking behind. I'm. It's very impressive that we're artists to try to help in a sense. I find it the descended masters and all these angels do have metaphysical power for sure, instead of a physical one. I do believe that. Thanks for doing the work. I'm Buddhist, so but you are doing the work. I'm making I'm making a project. I think the placement of this work is a little bit wrong because now it looks like a piece of seafood. It should be vertical.
Okay. Yeah, the direction is a bit, yeah, maybe this should be hurry.
Yeah, I think that might have been it was an importing issue.
If it's a vertical, if it's a vertical, it wouldn't look like a prawn, right?
Yeah, vertical. Okay, yeah.
So yeah, this Sperma 79 comes after a sequential drops. That's its number, right? 79. Come from a project is called panspermia. It's a hypothesis. It's a hypothesis of a cosmic life origin, which is according by current science. I find it's quite interesting because life origin, cosmic life origin is quite a hard question, which is actually invites a lot of the, let's say, imagination or fictional thinking, go wild, right? So thinking apart from all these life beings that we've been seeing and recognize the familiarities, maybe we can work with the familiarities and then make some other more, let's say, visual practices for us to understand a little bit more, to understand, let's say, expanding the whole idea of what do we regard as life, right? As a sentient life. And there are much more out there instead of, different races, different skin colors, there are different shapes and forms. I think this is actually a practice also for myself to practice such a compassion, but thanks for Natalie, you're doing far more effective. So yeah, this is I'm actually using a lot of machine learning style GAN too, to use personalized data, not personalized data, actually quite a specific data to train and this engine to generate something looks like, and then I work with these lookalikes and try to bring the possibilities out of this piece or a few pieces of materials to make into something look like something, but not yet specifically like something. So yeah, this is I think so far I got quite lots of independent spermas already, because they are actually the little fractal reflections of the source, right? The creative source. And then the panspermia itself has video pieces, has let's say master comps, so we call them epics, whatever, with a lot of let's say spermas assembled together. So we, as if we zoom into the cosmos and into the past to have a glimpse of what could be out there in a darkness, what kind of life forms. It just entices the fascination, I guess. Thanks guys for inviting me to be this. This is great. This is yeah.
Oh, that's
I'm
awesome.
done.
And I like that all the art is created through different means. Your art's created, you're using machine learning to create art, and then we have artists creating it by hand, and we got combinations. It's awesome how it's all joined together, and there's all these different ways and styles of creating art, and yet it can all come together in the same place.
Yeah. Thank you guys.
Awesome. And last